This is Heidi
and Zoe. We will be talking about the tropical rainforest.
We will be talking about the vegetation, animals, climate, and the critical issue.
To start off, we will be talking about the location. The tropic rainforest is found around the equator between Tropic and Capricorn all around the world. They're located in 4 different regions: Central America, such as Brazil and Costa Rica; Africa, Ghana and Madagascar; Southern Asia, India and Philippines; and Australia, Queensland and New South Wales. Now for the climate.
The climate is very humid in an average year in the rainforest because of the amount of rainfall. The rainforest precipitation totals up to about 250 centimeters per year. The rainforest is very hot and wet, which is why there is a lot of rain.
Rainforests that are located 10 degrees within the equator means that there's more sunlight. The sun warms the sea and land as water evaporates into the air. Warm air can hold a lot of water vapor. So as air rises, it cools. As it cools, it holds less water vapor. When warm meets cold, condensation occurs and the vapor begins to form droplets and then forms into clouds, and the clouds produces rain.
During the day, the temperature is around 30 to 35 degrees Celsius and drops below between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. There is not much of a difference between the coolest and warmest months since the humidity is always high between 77 and 88%.
Plants live in warm, humid environments. Epiphytes describe a plant that's like a parasite. They depend on the host for nutrient, clean air, rain, and the compost that lies on the tree branches. They are found throughout the rainforest and appear in different colors and sizes. There are many types of epiphytes that can grow on the same trees, such as lichens, orchids, cacti, ferns, and mosses. There are over 30,000 of these epiphytes around the world.
Lianas are climbing vines. They are thick woody stems that can go up to 3,000 feet. They start from the forest floor, and as they climb up, they need the support of other trees in order for them to reach the sunlight, as the sunlight is the source of their survival. Now for the animals, like the jaguar, are found in tropical rainforests of Central and South America. They prefer living in habitats that have water sources. They prey on capybaras, turtles, birds, and reptiles.
Another species that live in the tropical rainforest is the anaconda, also known as the water boa. The anaconda is found in swamps and marshes. They're not venomous and swallows its prey such as rodents, birds, and fish.
Our critical issue is based on erosion. Erosion is a process by which the surface of the earth is washed away by water, glaciers, winds, and waves. The loss of trees wouldn't be able to hold down the soil, so the wind and rain would remove the soil. The decrease of soil would mean less vegetation growth.
The rivers would be more siltated by the soil that is carried away by moving water. Substances like mercury, a highly toxic element that are found in the Amazon rainforest. When mixed with water, the fish will accumulate them and pass them to organisms higher in the food chain, mostly humans.
Only a minority have good soil because of the heavy rain, just like the Great Red Island, Madagascar, which loses so much soil due to erosion. So its rivers is red blood red, staining the surrounding Indian Ocean.
The runoff carries soil into local creeks/rivers, which will cause significant problems. Siltation will raise the riverbeds and increase floods, which will affect the fish. It will cause the fish eggs to hatch in low rates.
The water will become cloudy, which will affect the coral reefs and the coastal fisheries. The coast of the coral reefs will be distressing to scientists because of the tremendous diversity and important services they provide, such as coastal protection, fisheries, medicines, and recreation.
So in conclusion, not just the rainforest is affected by erosion, it's happening all around the world. To prevent this erosion, you could plant roots, grow plants on slopes, or plant a rain garden, which is a planted bed designed to receive stormwater and allow it to be slowly absorbed into the soil.